Okay, sir. Good morning, students. Today we'll do the experiment. That is, we have to test for the presence of protein in the food items. I have taken the corns. In this, the solution of corn I have taken. Now I'm going to put HNO3 and हमारे पास इसमें HNO3 solution डालेंगे. Concentrated HNO3 solution. In this, I am going to pour the 4 to 5 drops of concentrated HNO3. Okay, students.
HNO3 है.
2 to 3 drops or 4 to 5 drops you can put. Now I am going to heat the solution for 2 to 3 minutes on the flame. I have just taken the beaker and I am going to put this solution inside the beaker. Let it get heat. Next, I have taken the white part of the egg, the transparent part. Now again I am going to put HNO3 solution in this. Again 4 to 5 drops I have just put. You can see the solution has turned turbid. Just stirring it well so that it get mixed with it. Next, I have just taken the solution of the grinded pearls. Mix it well. Again, I am going to put some HNO3 solution in this. Now I am going to heat the solution also. Just for some time. After heating the solution for some time, now I am going to add ammonium hydroxide in this. To mix it, I am just going to stir it with the rod. You can see the orange PPTs are formed. Now you can see that after heating it for some hour in the presence of ammonium hydroxide, we can see that the solution which I have taken in this test tube, it was of white part of the egg. Now it has turned to the orange color. You can see the orange color. This shows the presence of protein in this. Next test tube, in the next test tube I took the solution of pulse. This has also turned slightest orange. You can see the ring forming here. This also shows the presence of protein in it. Next, in this test tube I took the solution of the corns, and you can see the color change in the color. Firstly the 3 test tubes were translucent in color. Now you can see the change in color. This has turned orange, this also, and you can see the ring formation of orange color here. This shows the presence of proteins in the given food items. Thank you. ठीक है, अब ये हमारे पास 3. Okay, now we are going to test for the presence of glucose in the given food solution. I have taken the glucon D and I have just dissolved it in the water. Now I'm just going to put the Fehling solution A in it, and then I am going to put Fehling solution B in it. Now I'm going to burn it. देख लिया?
Yes.
Now you may notice the change in the PPTs. In the color. You can see the change of the color in the test tube. Students, now you can see the change in color. The solution has changed to the color change. Now you can see the change in color. The solution has changed from blue to red brick color. This shows the presence of glucose in the solution. The presence of starch in the given food solution. I have just taken the starch, I have dissolved it in the water. Now I am just going to put some iodine in it. Now you can see the change in color. If the solution turns to blue or black in color, this shows the presence of starch in the given solution. You can see the change in color. Thank you. Now we have to detect the presence of sucrose in the given solution. I have just taken the sucrose powder and I have just dissolved it in the water. Now I am just putting the cobalt nitrate crystal in this. Dissolve it well. Stir it until it is dissolved completely. Now I am going to put NaOH solution in it. You can see the color change. The color has changed to violet. This shows the presence of starch in the given solution. Now we have to detect the presence of sucrose in the given solution. I have taken the sucrose in it and just dissolved it in water. Now I am going to put few drops of HCl in it. Just heating it over the flame. Heat it well. Now I have to just cool down the solution. Now I'm just putting the NaOH solution in it. Stir it well. Stir it well. Now I'm adding Fehling solution A in it. Stir it well until the whole solution is not mixed with it. Now I'm just adding Fehling solution again. I've added just both the Fehling solution, both A and B. And I'm just boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes. Video खोल दी? Now you can see the change in color. The color has changed to orange. Earlier it was blue. This shows the presence of sucrose in the given solution. Thank you.
Go to a glass.